Hello my beautiful people, hi, how are you? Today I have a little makeup tutorial, a face makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful flawless finish, but it still looks like skin. You can totally see that I have makeup on, but is so, like, I don't know, it looks so good. It still looks like my skin. It doesn't look cakey or anything like that, but it's also mask proof, which is my goal. We still have to wear the mask like inside. If I have an appointment with my doctor or if I go shopping, we still have to wear the mask. So this makeup is mask proof. This is my main goal when I'm wearing makeup and I still have to wear the mask. Like, I want my makeup to stay on my face and to look flawless even though I put a mask on. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry you guys. Anyway, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video, you guys. I don't have long nails anymore and I feel like a different person now. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to act without my long nail. Anyway, if you guys are ready, let's jump into the video. I'm sorry, I'm a weirdo. But you already know that. Okay, so very quick, I'm going to do my skincare. I picked my face. Yeah, don't mind the redness. But we are going to cover that with some makeup. And if you see some white things on my top, it has this wire and the top kind of broke and is peeking through. Alrighty, so now that I did my skincare, I'm going to do my face makeup. Also, I did a little bit my eyebrows, but I'm going to come back to them after I'm finishing my face makeup because, you know, I usually get makeup on them and then I have to retouch them, so why not retouch them at the end. Okay, so let's do this. The combo that I love recently, I know is a little bit much, but trust the process. So I'm going to mix two foundations. I know I said in my Rare Beauty first impressions review that I don't like this foundation, but mixed with something else it works beautifully. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix these two foundations together and a little bit of this Hollywood Flawless filter. I have this for like 2 years and is expired for sure, but my skin is okay. Okay, so please don't use expired makeup like I do. But before foundation, I'm going to go with a primer. This is also from Rare Beauty. I think I didn't like this either in my first impression video on Rare Beauty makeup. So yeah, just play with the makeup if you don't like it first, because that happened to me with the Shiseido foundation and oh my goodness, now I love it. You just have to play around with the skincare or primers because yeah, you have to find what works best with each product because some products are water based, some are oil based. So anyway, you guys, I cut my nails and I feel like someone cut my fingers. That's how short my fingers look right now. This is insane. I love long nails, but I feel like this is a vibe too. Like, I can do so much now with my fingers. Anyway, this is how much I'm going to use. Like, it feels amazing having short nails, but I love how sassy it makes me feel. I love long nails, but as I said, short nails are a vibe too. Next I'm going to make my concoction, so I'm going to use my palm. Okay, I'm going to put like 3 little, how you call these, dots, because these are not drops. So 3 little dots from the Flawless filter. CATRICE foundation, I'm using the shade Warm Vanilla, and I'm going to use like 1 pump and a half. Maybe it's a little bit too much, but it's best to have a little bit of leftover than have to do this again, you know what I mean? So from the Rare Beauty, also I'm going to use 2 or 3 dots. This is a little bit more yellowish. Beautiful. Next I'm going to take a little brush and I'm going to mix. Anyway, so I'm going to spread this all over my face. So first I'm going to do this area. I know it looks crazy, I know, but as I said, trust the process. Foundation. This is not foundation. My goodness, my brain is not functioning today. Sponge. If you like a brush, use a brush. But I love the finish of a sponge. Like, this is beautiful. You see how shiny and, how is that word? Illuminating? I mean, it's not shiny. It's wow, I forgot the word. Like illuminating, but not illuminating. Glowy, dewy. It's not dewy, but it looks, yeah, it definitely looks dewy. I swear to God, after my surgery, my brain stops working sometimes, you know, like I have little glitches. Love that for me. Today I feel like anything, nothing at all. I still have a lot left, but I'm going to build this a little bit more because I want more coverage. Even though I'm very okay with this coverage, I just want a little bit more. Also, this Cover FX facial spray that I used before my foundation, it has a dewy finish, and that helps with the dewy look that we have right now. By the way, that's expired as well, but it's okay. It's okay. My skin is okay, right? I mean, I have like some little bumps, but maybe that's hormonal. It's okay. We love expired makeup. Do we? Okay, so since I'm not gonna use this leftover, I'm going to transfer it on my foundation cap because I feel like I'm going to need a little bit of retouch around my lips when I'm using lip liner because I'm not that precise. So saving a little bit of foundation concoction is very helpful. Very fast I'm going to do some cream contour. Next is concealer, and I've been loving this lately. I don't know what it is about this, but it looks so good. The coverage is very buildable. It says that it has a medium to full coverage, but I feel like it's more like a medium coverage. But as I said, it's very buildable and it looks so good. I have very dry creased under eyes, and this somehow, even though I set this with powder, it still looks so good under my eyes. I don't know. I feel like they nailed it with this. concealer. I don't know why I haven't bought this when I bought the foundation as well. So this is the Synchro whatever concealer from Shiseido or Shiseido. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm going to apply this on my lids as well. If you have dry skin or dry under eyes, definitely try this concealer out because it's so good. I mean, on me it works beautifully, or it looks beautifully. Next, I'm going to take the Anastasia face powder. You can use whatever powder you have. This is in the shade Vanilla, and I've been loving this as well lately. I love how this applies my face powder. Like, I paid €5 for this little one. Go on Shein because they have 5 for €2. Okay, go on Shein and buy yourself one of these little puffs. I love how flawless this leaves the skin. Like when I apply my face powder, I did use this with foundation. No, it's not for me, okay? Also, I don't like to apply foundation with brushes. Okay, so I'm going to smooth out my creases. And listen, you can leave this as it is. Like if you don't have creases under your eyes, this is beautifully, like, it's glowy, it's juicy, it looks so good. But since I'm going to wear the mask and I want this to last all day, like to stay intact, I'm going to set my entire face with just a tiny little bit of powder. I love this little puff. Like, I see Tati using her puff, oh my god, I can't talk, her puff, like to apply foundation, concealer, whatever, but I just don't like how that works. But I love it for powder. Okay, so as I said, go on Shein and get yourself some face puffs. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, you can totally do this and it's not going to mess with your foundation. Like, you can do this with this puff. I don't know, maybe because it's so soft, like this fabric is so soft, and probably that's why it's not messing with the foundation. But oh my goodness, I love it. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful. Next, I'm going to set my entire face, as I said, but I'm going to take less powder. So okay, that's less. And I'm going to focus mostly where I have like expression lines, fine lines, whatever, you know what I mean. Even though I set the skin with powder, to me it kind of still looks radiant. Oh my goodness. So that was it. This is my little secret. This is how you will make your foundation last all day on your face, even wearing a face mask. I'm going to finish this makeup and show you guys the final result. But this is the secret that I discovered recently. Like, this is my 4th time using this foundation combo, and oh my goodness, it looks flawless at the end of the day. And that's my goal. Like, I want my face makeup to last all day long. I don't want any creases. I mean, I will still get creases because that's normal, you know. I talk, I smile, and usually I get the smile lines very enhanced, but with this combo is like minimum. Okay, so I'm going to go now because I need to leave, but I just finished my makeup. I applied a little bit. Why do I keep saying a little bit? I applied some lashes. Also, I finished my eyebrows, some lip liner, and I will see you guys a little bit later as I said, I will wear a mask. So let's see. I already know this will stay on my face. I just want to show you guys, okay? There will be a little bit of transfer, but that's okay because my makeup will still be on my face. So that's the goal, okay? That's the goal. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Put my jeans on and see you guys. I just had lunch and now I'm having some fake coffee. This is not real coffee. It looks like coffee, it smells like coffee, and it tastes like coffee, but is dandelion root. It's so good and so natural, and it doesn't have caffeine. Love me some good TikTok advices. So I've been out for like 2 hours or so. Makeup doesn't look that good, but it looks good. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. I think I touched my how is this called? My forehead, and it looks a little bit wonky. Yeah, I think I scratched my forehead. I don't know what I did, but it doesn't look that good. And also my smile lines are a little bit more enhanced, but other than that, I don't see any mask marks. And this is the mask that I had. It was clean. Like, yeah, I see some makeup on my mask. I feel like it's mostly face powder and lipstick. So as you can see, my face still looks the same. Well, besides the smile lines and forehead, and also on my lids. What the heck, camera? And also on my lids. This camera, I swear to God. Also on my lids, it did that, but that's normal. I don't know what else to say. I wanted to film another video after this, but I don't feel like, no. I gotta go do dishes. Yeah. My nose is itchy. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.